so big. Jump scare. Hi guys, my name is Delilah D and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a girl that burps online and I talk a lot of crap. Today, I'm looking a little worse for wear. I'm not wearing any makeup today. I decided that I'm gonna try and suck it up and just actually try and make a video with no makeup on. This is very hard for me. Okay, but I feel like it's necessary. I feel like it's necessary because I've noticed people commenting stuff on like my body positivity stuff and they're like, it's different because you have like perfect skin. And I'm like, no I don't. No I do not. I do not have perfect skin. Anyway, let's start the burping. So, I'm doing a barefaced look today. Also, I don't feel like doing my makeup. I'm on my period, so I'm having Bug Plus. I've never actually had a full tin of this. I've only had those shots things that you get at like the garage. So yeah. Oh, this is gassy as fuck. Well, we're off to a good start, not a tough start. Yeah, I just want people to know that, you know, this is an unedited video for once. I'm very vain, so I will be putting up videos of me with makeup, with edits, because that's how I feel the most confident. You know what I mean? I can't be my best self if I'm not fully confident. And right now I'm feeling a little like, oh, look at that face. But yeah. Also, my Instagram got suspended twice this week. I just appealed it for the second time. The first time I got it back and then for some reason it was taken down again. So, how can I piss off the haters more? Just be more confident. Just be more me. Just post more on YouTube. Honestly, I don't even know why I bother with the rest of social medias because I get suspended, I get sworn, I get hated on. But the other day I was looking at all of my held comments on YouTube and they were all nice. I was like, why is YouTube holding all these nice comments from me? I need them. Anyway, sorry. Oh, this is bloating my belly a lot. It's almost Valentine's Day. What are your plans for Valentine's Day? Planning anything special? I am making a couple of clips for my other sites. I've made 3 already. I've uploaded 1 body inflation one for Valentine's Day. So yeah, we'll see if I feel better next week. I can make some more and whatever customer requests I get. I don't know what we're gonna do for Valentine's Day. I'm very bad at planning things. My boyfriend is very good at planning things. I'm very bad at them. But we'll probably just game. Because that's what I love doing. I love just chilling on Discord with my boyfriend, gaming. I play my game, he play his game, you know? Like, a lot of people want me to, like, do Call of Duty or Apex. I can't buy that shit, guys. You know how some girls are like, I'm like a teenage boy in a girl's body. You know how I'm like, I'm a grandma in a grandma's body. Because literally, I play shit like Uno. I play Uno on my phone. I play Sims 4. I play Telltale games. I'm actually really looking forward to The Wolf Among Us 2 coming out. Those are my kinds of games, man. You gotta remember, I'm a 90s kid. I'm used to offline games. And then I grew up for a bit. Like, I had that little bit where I was cosplaying as a grown-up, where I had like my most responsibilities and stuff. And that's when everybody was gaming online, and so I missed that train completely. Okay, I missed that train. I was first partying, and then I had to become, a grown up because things happened in my life that I don't want to talk about online. My face is bothering me, guys. My face is bothering me. I'm gonna have a really hard time not editing this, but I promise you I'm not going to add a filter or anything, because I want you guys to see how freaking ugly I am. I want you guys to see that this is what a real girl looks like. Like, you know what I mean? Don't compare yourself to what's out there. Because those girls aren't real either. I have videos where I look like a fucking 12, okay? I don't look like that in real life. I don't. I can make myself look like that, but that's just because of makeup and effects and edits. I noticed you guys really liked my AI burping videos. AI rates my burps. Someone did suggest another program I should try, so I'll check it out and try it, see if they'll rate my burps. The thing with the AI rating your burps is it literally just says anything, obviously. Like, it's not real. It's not like they're actually listening to the burp. Their software probably just says, user said, ah, and then it's like, oh wow, that's a great burp. You know what I mean? Like, I think until it can fully understand what a burp is, for example, I don't know if AI is actually going to give you like a proper rating. You know, that's why I get girls like me who can rate it for you. Again. I mean, am I? By the way, shout out to everyone who's been putting like timestamps for my burps. You guys are awesome, because I do talk too much. But yeah, I feel like people need to see that we're all just normal people trying to make a living in this big, bad, cruel, terrible, busy world. You know? And we're all just hanging on by a thread. That's why I'm here, to make your life fun. That was so big. God, I'm ashamed of that one. Excuse me. Woo! Whoa. I think that might have been the best burp on the channel. Give me a like if that was the best burp we've had on this channel. Mm. Oh, these bio glasses are nice. Nice and gassy and just nice in general. Like, oh, it's bionic berry. That's what I was gonna say. It's got a very berry taste to it. That was a closed mouth burp and an open mouth burp. I've had people ask me if I can burp louder. Like, if I could if I could burp louder, do you really think I would not do it? Like, if I could burp louder, I would be burping like that all the time. Like, for real, I wish I could burp loud and boisterous and like a Shrek burp, you know? Comment below who is your favorite burper, or like what scene in a movie you like the most of like a burp or something. Maybe I could make like a compilation video of it and try to maybe recreate it. That could be a fun video idea. I don't know. This is giving me some nice loud burps. I like it. See? I tried to make that loud and it just don't come out loud, man. Kind of looks like Black Label when I hold it like this. Which is a beer where I'm from. I can't drink it though, like holy shit. That's like, that'll give me like 50 chest hairs a tin. Like, that's too much. Oh, I'm almost done. Woo. Sorry for my ugly face. But, you know, I did expose these to make the journey a little bit easier for you to look at me. So yeah, this is what 35 looks like in 2025. The only work I've had done ever is a little bit of filler in my lips. That's all I can afford. That's all I could afford. I can't even afford that now. But whatever. I don't want it now. I want to make my house pretty. Instead. It's all finished. Okay. Let's push a nice big burp out. I'm not feeling anything, man. I'm feeling anything rising to the top. that's all I got for you today. If you enjoyed the video with my bare face and my beautiful hair, please give me a like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Hopefully it'll be a more entertaining video. Love you, bye!